नमस्कार। और आज स्पेशल ओलंपिक्स एशिया पैसिफिक रीजनल गेम फॉर बॉची एंड बॉलिंग के इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आपका स्वागत और अभिनंदन करती हूँ। आई वेलकम ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ द मीडिया, distinguished guests, volunteers, athletes and supporters present here today for this press meet. I welcome the media partners especially because you all have been very supportive to our program always, and you were present for the inclusive run which we recently organized, and also the inclusive cultural program which was recently organized in Delhi prior to this great event which we are having in India for the first time. Thank you for joining us today on this significant moment as we begin the Special Olympics Asia Pacific Bocce and Bowling competition. It gives me immense joy to be here and to witness the enthusiasm, dedication and collective spirit that has brought all of us together from all the international areas, from different countries, so that we can all together work for inclusion. We are also honored to have the opening ceremony today at 3:30 p.m. where Honorable Vice President of India, Shri Jagdeep Dharkar ji, and the Union Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports, Shri Mansukh Bhai Mandviya ji, will grace the occasion. I would also like to mention that we have 12 countries from Asia Pacific region, Eurasia and East Europe who are participating in this event, and we have nearly 139 athletes, coaches, HODs and international dignitaries who will be present for the event throughout 19th to 23rd of this month. The upcoming competition will be more than just a showcase of sports. It will be a celebration of courage, resilience and the transformative power of inclusive sports and health activities. Focusing on older athletes with ID, age 22 and above, the competition provides unique opportunities for this higher age group to showcase their talent and remain active throughout their life by being a part of Special Olympics. These athletes embody the spirit of Special Olympics and highlights the enduring benefits of inclusion through sports, fostering physical fitness, social connection and mental well-being. We have Manjula from Karnataka, who is our senior most athlete of the age of 45. So we would like to bring to your attention that above 22 till 25, we have players on the field. Please come and cheer our athletes and be a part of Special Olympics movement. In support of this movement, we have more than 1,000 volunteers whose tireless commitment has been instrumental in ensuring that this event upholds the highest standards of organization and care. Furthermore, this competition is expected to draw a passionate audience of over 3,000 spectators, whose presence will amplify the energy and excitement within the stadium. Your support and encouragement not only will uplift our athletes but also reinforce our shared commitment to a world that celebrates diversity and inclusion. Along with the sporting event, I would also like to mention we have Healthy Athlete Program. Through this initiative, 400 athletes will receive health screening and checkup with the help of 60 highly trained medical professionals across 7 disciplines, that is special smiles, opening eyes, healthy hearing, health promotion, nutrition, fit feet, fun fitness, and a newly launched program that is Strong Minds, along with 250 volunteers who are part of the Healthy Athlete program. We are happy to share that Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare will inaugurate the program on 20th of November. This commitment to holistic athlete care is a testament of our belief that health and wellness are fundamental rights for all, regardless of ability. In this health screening program, we affirm that our support goes beyond the playfield and into the heart of what it means to lead a healthy life. Friends, today we stand before you not just as leaders but as believers in the inclusion revolution. We are at a moment where our collective actions can redefine the narrative around the issue. Our movement is more than just a series of events. It is a call to action, one that urges every community, institution and individual to embrace inclusivity, to break down the barriers of stigma and to include those who are often neglected. That is, to reach the unreached section of our society. The core of this revolution is simple yet profound: to accept every individual regardless of their disabilities, to recognize their abilities, respect them as they are, and finally include them in every aspect of our lives. We have many athlete leaders amongst us, and one example is our golden girl who is with us, Shivani. She is a role model and an inspiration to all of us who has overcome the challenges to become the flag bearer of hope for many such athletes. I want to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Dimitri, Chief Health Officer from Special Olympics International, who is with us in our program and who is here with the Healthy Athlete Program to take care of the health of our athletes, and he is always there across the world for our athletes. I would also like to thank Mr. Deepak Natali, Regional President and Managing Director, Special Olympics Asia Pacific, for giving us this opportunity to do the event in India and also to support us and to help us in every way so that we achieve our mission of inclusion. And I would like to thank our partners, sponsors and supporters who believe in our shared vision of an inclusive society. I invite you all to be more than just spectators, be advocates for the change. Let this competition inspire all of us to discuss and carry the message of inclusion revolution. Let it spark initiatives that makes inclusion not just an inspiration, but a reality. To conclude, I would like to remind all of you that the Special Olympics movement is a beacon of hope and a new sunrise to the profound impact of sports as a unifier. Each clap, each cheer, and each moment spent watching these athletes compete is a step towards a more inclusive world. To my friends from the media, let us all come together to amplify the message of inclusion. Thank you for your